What's up, my OGs? It's Emily. I'm back with another video. Today's video is just going to be on this beautiful unit from YGwigs. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Bye, y'all.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah,
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. This is like a ready to wear unit, you guys, because I did not have to pluck this unit much. I didn't have to bleach the knots. You don't really even have to pluck it at all if you don't want to. Yeah, I didn't have to bleach the knots. The knots are super small, so you don't even need to do that. Came colored already. Yeah, YGwigs just has some bomb units. Like when they send me a unit, like I'm always in love with it. The color job is amazing. My strap not secured, y'all, because I don't even need the strap. It just fit my head. But yeah, this is what it looks like in the back. Like the color shift is just amazing. It looks professionally done, super nice. Goes from like a dark to like, you know, blondish ombre color. So I'm here for this. I love this. This was a super quick install. This is their 5x5 unit, and the lace just melted. Their lace always just melts right into my skin without any manipulation. Like, girl, find the lace. Find the lace, because what? I'm here for this. So thank you, YGwigs, for this bomb unit, and thank y'all for watching. All of YGwigs links will be in my description box, so check that out, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.